Alright guys, what's up? Today I'll be showing you guys how to make intro videos for YouTube videos. So first off, I instead of getting a drone and making my own drone videos, I just download them for free. I googled free drone video downloads and I got some pretty good videos. So then after it downloads, click to import, go to downloads, and then click on the downloaded video. So then we add to project, and then the video's ready. So then we can add a title. Go to titles and then just pick whatever type of title you want to add to the video. There's quite a few to choose from, but anyways. And then the title's there. Pops on. You can add our own text by going to advanced settings or advanced editing. We can text whatever we want, and choose the color of the text and the type of lettering. And then also the or what type of font or whatever the type of letters, and if we want the on throughout the whole video, let me just drag the title across the selected video, and then we can add audio. Once we add audio, it'll just start wherever the orange line starts. So we'll just drag the orange line to where we want the music to start, and then click to add music, and it goes all the way to the end. But when we drag the bar to wherever we want the music to stop and press on the scissor thing, then delete the excess music, and there we go. And then we just export to device to save it to the computer. If you want to export it straight to we just export, but I'm not gonna save it because I already have the intro. I already have that intro video saved. And then if you want to upload straight to YouTube, just click on the YouTube thing and export to YouTube. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.